Hello guys, in today's video I want to talk about how to split screen in Windows 10 only using keyboard. I am sure this video will be very useful for you. So make sure you watch till the end. The first step you have to do is activate the multitasking feature on your computer. To activate it, you can start by pressing the Windows key on your keyboard, then type multitasking and end by pressing the Enter. After that, make sure the Snap Windows feature is active. To do a split screen, first of all you have to select which windows you will use as part of the first screen. After that, click the Windows button plus left arrow on your keyboard. Then, you will be given a choice of which windows you want to select as part of the second screen. Now, you can do two jobs in the same time. If you want to add a third or even fourth screen, you can start the same way but combine the Windows key on your keyboard with the up and down arrows key on your keyboard. Sometimes you also need to make several adjustments to find the right position and size for 4 windows. I really hope this video can help you. Write in the comments column if you have any questions, we will discuss about it on the next video.